Look, if you guys are losing money in the stock market, you're blowing up accounts, you're trying to figure out why it is you can't find any success, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that in this video, and it's going to be very, very simple. And when you kind of put your finger on it and then you kind of attack this issue and you start to actually work on what is actually holding you back, you're going to see that you're going to be a lot more successful when it comes to day trading, and not just day trading in general, but in entrepreneurship and in life in general. So you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video to kind of hear exactly what I'm going to have to say. The number one reason that is because you're just simply flat out too emotional, right? Stock market is all about logic and strategy. Okay, when your emotions start to get involved, it's going to start to cloud your judgment. You end up making poor decisions. Fear, greed, FOMO, all of this stuff starts to kick in, anxiety, and then it all leads to, just making bad trades, right? You're holding, trades and drawdown way too long. You're not taking profits when you should. You've got no one looking over your shoulder kind of telling you that you're messing up, right? Sometimes it takes someone to you just be in your ear telling you, you are doing something wrong. You need to make this adjustment. Because if you kind of just let your mind and your brain go, you can really go down a rabbit hole and put yourself in a ton of drawdown, blow up a ton of accounts. But I'm going to give you guys the very, very easy solution to kind of get past that hump, right? What you need to actually do is control the emotions from the start. Before you even take the trade, you need to be calm. You need to make sure you're getting outside. You need to make sure you're eating properly, you're exercising, you're doing this, that, and the other. Let's let the numbers do the talking for us, right? Because when you think about it, if you don't have and develop a system, you don't have a plan, you're basically just kind of throwing spaghetti all over the wall. You're going to start to make very, very rash decisions and very, very impulsive moves. You're going to be doing a lot of revenge trading. You're going to go up in a trade. You're going to get happy. You're going to give it all back. You're going to revenge trade. You're going to chop yourself up. Simple discipline is going to help with that. Patience is key. Patience is probably one of the most important things when it comes to day trading. Allowing the trades to come to you instead of always trying to catch the next move, right? When you're trying to be here, you're nowhere, okay? You're nowhere. So sit back, let the trades come to you, be patient, get in a community, get with a mentor, get with a coach, learn from the right person, learn from the right people, and start to educate yourself when it really comes to this business. Because I'm going to be the first person to tell you, life-changing money can be made when you can be consistent at day trading. This is a skill and an asset that is going to allow you to be able to make money from anywhere in the world, as cliche as that sounds, but only if you can control your emotions, only if you can be a disciplined trader, only if you can follow the rules. Okay, what you need to know is going to be this: how to develop a system, the importance of discipline, the dangers of emotional trading, all this other stuff, risk management, all that other stuff is kind of go hand in hand. And how can you learn this? You need to find someone that you kind of relate to. You need to find someone that kind of meshes well with your personality. You need to find someone that kind of meshes well with the way that you are as a person internally. Look, I can't learn from someone if they're a complete stiff and they're tight and if they're not, if I can't see myself talking to this person outside of trading, I'm not going to want to learn from that person. You need to go out and spend money on yourself. That doesn't mean just throwing money all over the place, buying every product under the sun. Find a good trading course, find a good mentor, find a good person to learn from on YouTube, find a good person that maybe a personal friend or a family member, maybe they do some trading. Find someone that you can interact with who's going to be able to hold you accountable. That's the main thing. Being able to be emotionally in check and be held accountable is definitely going to help you when it comes to being more consistent when you come to trying to make all these trading profits.